Hi, I'm Kanu. Welcome back to my channel. I'm doing a quick unboxing. I just opened the tape. So this is the Fitbit Sense. This is my new smartwatch. This is an Amazon something or other. It was only like 23 bucks. Yeah. It doesn't track my steps very well. Let's just go there and leave it there. But it's not bad for 23 bucks. If you're just getting started, it's not bad. Not great, but not bad. This is going to be really quick. I don't have any, I have to charge this and all kinds of stuff, but ooh. Caught it. This I ordered through Target. It was on sale. This is the blush gold version. Let's see. This is the power section. This is the power supply. The actual watch and the bands. They do come with extra bands. This is pretty. This is my first Fitbit because I was anti-Fitbit for so long. I don't know why. So I'm just going to open it, get it charged, and then go from there. Cute. Looks really simple. There are books and everything, so I'm going to have to read over some of that. This is the quick start guide. And new to Fitbit, download the app. Okay, cool, because I am new to Fitbit. And then the extra bands are here. Everything is, not drop it. Awkward. Okay. Everything is kind of attached to the box, and then you just slide it out. So here is the extra band. It comes with two sizes. The regular small medium, and then the medium large. So this is the extra band. This is probably the large one. Oh, and I think just the rib side or the buckle side is the extended one. Yeah, so this is the power cord, and it attaches. I'm sure it's got a USB situation going on. Yep. And most things don't come with charging bricks anymore, I've noticed, because you probably have a million of them. But it would be nice to have a charging brick every once in a while. Just the USB-C, I'm sorry, the USB-A and the power source, the thing. And then it just kind of clips onto the back. Oh, it's magnetized, and it's actually magnetizing through this plastic because it's just plastic. So I'm actually really excited to get this charged and ready, read up about it. And we'll do the first peel. Oh, it looks like she has a little bit of charge already. Yay. Nice simple band. She's stuck to me. It's telling me it's got 64% battery, and telling me to charge it and everything. So it's got different languages. Ooh, so cute. I'm excited. Now I can get notifications on my watch. I can receive phone calls as long as my phone is close by. And yeah. And this also, the reason I chose the Sense over the Fitbit Versa 3 was because they were both on sale, but this was only $10 more. But this one has the EKG feature that you connect to an app, and it also manages your stress, or measures your stress management in different situations. It has a couple of extra features that the Versa 3 didn't have. I was reading up on both of them for a long time. So thank you, Target, for having them on sale. This is not a sponsored video. I was not gifted this. I am an actual user. Purchaser. I actually purchased this with my own ducats. And yeah, I don't even know how to turn it on. So I will learn how to do that. But this is really pretty. Fitbit sense on the back. Pretty, very soft band. I look forward to wearing it. Oh, and this size fits me. So, yeah. I'll probably get a little bit bigger, though. Well, maybe, let's see. Yeah, a little bit bigger. Because it fits, but it's like, you know, I got fat wrists. Yeah, we'll do large. Make it a little more comfortable. But yeah, that's it. That's it. It's really pretty. Once I get it charged up and figure out how to turn on, actually, let's pause and see if we can do that. So I will tell you, I just opened my phone and immediately it asked me to set up my Fitbit. So, sorry, this slid over a little bit. So it's now downloading the app and it came alive again. So that's actually pretty cool. So it's installing, but I thought that was really cool and I wanted to share that with you. Okay, so now I'm about to join and I'll be right back. And just that quick, I've set up my account, saved my password because I had to create a new one. And let's see, set it up. This is actually not hard at all. I'm actually excited. Connect the back of your sense magnetism until it snaps into place. Let it charge. Okay. Location permission. Boom. Sense found. Pairing code. Cool. It's connecting. Check mark. I mean, I don't know why I plugged it in because it's not plugged into anything. Pair. Allow. To start, download the Fitbit. Okay, I'm done. Cover damages, not now. Sense Wi-Fi setup, yes. So, interesting thing, I set up my password, which is a password I am used to using, and it said, put a password in that's not easily guessed by others. And I'm thinking, that one's not, but whatever, I'll try another one. It's hard for me to come up with passwords that I won't forget, so we're almost done setting up. This is crazy. Wi-Fi set up. Start my update. This is cool. Okay, so it's downloading. I'm not gonna have you sit here and watch it download, but it's got a cool little graphic going on in the background while it's downloading and setting it up. So we'll be back. Update. We're almost there. Oh, sorry. We're almost there. This install is a little bit more of a lengthy process because it's installing all of the health apps. So advanced health features, built-in voice assistant, stress tracking and management, exercise and GPS, sleep tracking and sleep score, pay from your wrist, and taking calls from your wrist. You can use your phone during this setup, but keep it close to your sense. So I'm not actually going to use it. I just want it to install so we can finish this video. So we are almost done. It looks like it's about 45 or, well, what is that, like 85% done? 75%? 75% done. I'm thinking 45 minutes in an hour. So it's a little over 75% done. By the way, I was about to change the wristband. Oh, sorry, I am watching Perry Mason. And it's super easy. I'm going to take this off because it's obviously not charging. So you just push this little pin either in or out. I don't know what I did because I did it both. I did both. I think you push it in a little bit and then pull it. I did it just a second ago. Oh, maybe it's in or out. Oh, okay. It's down. So you pull it down a little bit. And then you just take the other one and it goes right, is this the right way? Okay. And it just goes right in like that. Super easy. Oh, it's so pretty. I'm just going to go ahead and put this on. And the app is actually still installing, but the phone, sorry, I know that was quick, but the watch is actually loading itself. So, oh, since it's updated, you can continue setup. Yay! Voice privacy. Microphone power on features. Oh, you can, to power voice features, microphone only on when you're using the voice. You can disable the microphone. Okay. Set up voice assistant. I'm going to go with Google. Activate Google Assistant. Connecting to your watch. This setup is super easy, and I'm so glad because I am not technologically challenged, but sometimes I'm so nervous about messing stuff up that I don't want to do it. Okay. Activate Google Assistant on my match. Connect. Agree. Allow all. Fitbit sleep. Get personal results. Your assistant is ready. Okay. Pairing request. Set up on-risk calls. Phone calls. Allow. Allow. Call logs. SMS texts. You have to allow all these permissions just to make sure that your watch can get them, because it will automatically do everything for you. You have to choose what you want your watch to be able to do. Bluetooth pairing, yes. Pairing request allowed, permissions allowed, Bluetooth pairing for sense controls. Pair it, yes. This is so easy. New features are ready. Monitor my O2. How to change the band, which I've already done. And wearing the watch. Okay. View the latest. Okay, now it's just, these are instructions. Swipe up. Oh, wow. Screen is so pretty. Okay, hold on while we're doing that. I don't know if I'm revealing any secret things, but this screen is really nice. Okay. Access common watch functions. I should probably be watching this instead of showing you. Oh my god. Swipe right. It's probably self-intuitive. I'm pretty intuitive. Press the side button. Okay. Do I have to be wearing it to try this? Okay. Let's put the baby on. I did put on the larger band, and now I feel like it's a little bit large, but it's okay. I'd rather have it looser and not so tight. Okay. And it's just a simple little click in, and then you just loop it through. Well, this is a little too loose, and then you just loop it through there, and it's tucked away. I like that. And this side button has haptic feedback, so you can feel it. Good. Okay. Clean your band. Take your watch off from time to time. You're all set. I'm done. Okay. Setup complete. It maybe took 15 minutes just because of the download of the applications and everything and loading everything. But yeah, this is a little too loose. I'm going to probably click it one more time, which I probably should have left the smaller band on. Thinking about it, I'm like, oh. Okay, because this one is almost at the very end. Well, that's okay. Okay, I really like this. This color is good. Yes. Fitbit Sense. Oh, wait. Sorry, it's going to be upside down. But, yeah, it's going to be upside down. Sorry. Yay! Okay, that's my unboxing. Fitbit since. We'll check back in on future videos, and I'll give you feedback on how it's going so far. So that's my unboxing. I haven't done a tech unboxing in a really long time since I got the tablet that I'm actually working on. So I got this from Target. It was on sale. It's not on sale now, but I'm sure it'll go on sale again, especially when the new watches come out. Thanks for watching. Y'all have a great day. Take care of your health so we can take care of you.